Hi, my name is Arnav and I'm a rising senior at Monte Vista High School. So for my second milestone for my hexapod project, the first thing I did was attach the base plate to the other side of the circuit board to protect it from any damages and to make it look cleaner. I used M3 standoffs instead of screws so that I can attach another base plate later so I could strap my battery to it. The next thing I did was calibrate the robot using the calibration sheet provided. Basically, I had to move each individual leg in all three dimensions so that it lines up exactly with the diagram on the calibration sheet. So the next thing I did was attach the WLAN module, which would basically allow me to control the robot through Wi-Fi instead of through a wire. I mistook the remote control module for the WLAN module, and that caused the circuit board to heat up, so I removed the battery. But unfortunately, when I removed the battery, that caused the calibration to reset, so I had to redo the calibration, which took up a lot of time. Once I got the WLAN module to work, I can basically control the robot using the Wi-Fi. So it basically works like this. It can move forwards, it can move backwards, it can move side to side, and it could also rotate in place. One of the main issues I had was the Wi-Fi momentarily cutting out, and that's just an issue of the hotspot itself and not anything to do with the robot. However, the issue kind of solved itself as it would reconnect almost immediately, so it wasn't really that big of a deal. So my next steps for the hexapod are to be able to control it through my phone on the Freenove app. And that would allow me to record motions and replay them, so I wouldn't actually have to control each individual motion. I could just play the set of motions and it will do all of them by itself. And I also want to be able to use the remote control to control this. Right now it's not working as I intended to, so I need to fix that. And the last thing is to make a container or another base plate to attach the battery to, so that it's not just hanging around like this, so that it's actually strapped in and it won't move when I control the robot. Thank you.